Hello friend, I trust you're having a nice time. Welcome to another lesson. So in today's lesson we will be discussing the topic weather. We'll be talking about weather today, and at the end of this video you'll be able to identify the different types of weather. Now if you look at your screen, you can see some pictures. Can you tell me some things you can see? For me, I can see the sun, I can see clouds, I can see rain, I can see the wind, and I can see, I think that those things look like stars. Are these stars? We'll find out. And then I can see something that looks like thunder. Okay, so in today's lesson we'll be talking about weather and different types of weather, but we will not talk about all the types. We will just talk about 3 types of weather in this video. Okay, sunny weather. We have a sunny weather whenever Mr. Sun is the king of the sky. You know, when Mr. Sun comes out and everywhere is bright and brilliant, that day is said to be a sunny day. When we have a sunny weather, everywhere is hot and bright. You see, in the picture, we have a sunny weather. Mr. Sun is out. He's so happy because he's the king of the sky. And see, the children are happy because everywhere is bright. The flowers are brilliant. Butterflies are flying. The children are walking to school and they are so happy. You know, but aside the fact that everywhere is bright, everywhere is also hot. So when you have a sunny weather, everywhere is hot and bright. Children can play outside when the weather is sunny. See, Mr. Sun is smiling because he's the king. Everywhere is hot, bright, and the children are also playing outside because the weather is sunny. So whenever we have bright clouds like this, like what we have in this picture, the weather is said to be a sunny weather. Okay, let's talk about what we can see in this picture. Rainy weather. When can we say the weather is rainy? When the rains are falling. When it's raining, the weather is cold. Now if you look at the picture, you can see some children wearing their raincoats, their head warmers, some boots, and they are using an umbrella because of the rain. So when it's raining, the weather is cold and the rains are falling. So this is an example of a rainy weather. When it's rainy, everywhere is wet. Now look at this picture. You can see the ground is wet. These women, they are running home because their umbrellas are wet and the rain is also touching their raincoats. They are hurrying up to get to the house. Their shoes are wet because the weather is rainy. When it rains, you will see water puddles on the ground. Now see, it's raining. Some children are using the umbrella, and if you check, they are wearing a Wellington boot and they are stepping on some water puddles. See, water puddles. And see the water puddles. Water puddles. So they are playing in the water puddles. So when it rains or when we have a rainy weather, you will see water puddles on the ground. Okay, let's talk about the last weather for this video. Cloudy weather. When do we have a cloudy weather? The weather becomes cloudy when the cloud covers the sun. Now if you can see the picture, you can see Mr. Sun. The cloud is covering Mr. Sun just a little. See, the cloud is covering the sun a little, but in this other picture the cloud has covered the whole sun. You can't see Mr. Sun anymore. So whether we have the cloud covering the sun just a little or the cloud covering the whole sun, we will have a cloudy weather. When the weather is cloudy, everywhere is dark and cold. Can you look at the picture carefully? You will find out that there is no Mr. Sun. The clouds have covered the sun and everywhere is dark. It looks like it wants to rain. Yes, that's because the weather is cloudy. Activity time. Is this a sunny weather? What weather is this? And can you tell me what's happening in the picture? I trust you had a nice time. Please do your activities on your worksheet and have a nice day. Bye.